Oh, sorry for the interruption. The camera just went flat, normal battery. So I will just show you a few more of those small trees I have, and as I said before, like just cover the roots with some rice skin or straw or something to protect those the fine roots from the sun. Otherwise, they get burned, and your tree won't make it. So I just show you a few of the small trees I have left, and then the reservoir, and what solution I have for the irrigation, and then yeah, I'll just change quickly. Okay, so as you saw before, these are the mysuck I have. Those, they don't need too much of a protection anymore because they're all standing inside this banana tree jungle of what you see here. And this is basically one spot where I connect my hose to the irrigation. I don't have an automatic irrigation system because I believe in just pouring water onto the tree, like under the tree. If you have an irrigation that is spraying water, then you will just cultivate a lot of grass. You will have more work cutting it, and the trees themselves don't really get too much of it, and the roots tend to grow up to the surface again to catch that little bit of water. So I just basically pour about 20 seconds or 30 seconds. That would be about probably 10, 15, about 20 liters of water on each of those small ones. And then sometimes the bananas as well, because they also like water once in a while. So I came here by bike, you see. Swiss made. Wow, awesome, huh? And this is the irrigation system I have. I think these are Povit solar cells. They're not mono. I took poly because we have sometimes a cloudy sky, and when it gets cloudy, the poly will still work, whereas the mono will tend to lose power, and then I can't use the irrigation anymore. So that's why I took poly. And so I have this tube going from the reservoir all the way through the land. So now it's on the ground, and it will go to the very end. So I was digging this channel by hand. It's about, I guess about 250 meters long, and I put a 2-inch pipe in there, and then yeah, it just basically gets to the pump here, and this is basically the pump that is sucking the water out of the reservoir here. As maybe you saw before, it's filled with fish. Oh, they're all crazy. Yeah, they just saw me, so they wish they get some food. So it's pulling the water out of the reservoir into this one. That is in there I have a 750 watt pump, and it pushes the water up there. So every time I want to water the trees to the left and to the right, I would just connect a hose, and the hose is just about, I guess it's about 20 meters long, and I have enough pressure to just water those trees. So that's what I have here. Just pretty simple, just two hoses, 10 meters, 20 meters, sorry, and yeah, my fish food. And in here I have a system where I just basically yeah, it just collects the power, it transfers it, and then I can either use the irrigation pump here in the back, or the water well, which is in those concrete pipes. There is a submersible pump down there, 38 meters further down. So when I've been using the water for the irrigation, then sometimes here in dry season, the water level in this pool will drop about 1.5 meters, and then I just fill it up for a couple of days, and then yeah, look at those, they're all happy to see me, huh? And then I just switch on the water well, and it will run automatically, and once in the evening the sun just goes down and there's not enough power left, and it just, you know, kind of stops by itself, and then next morning it will start again. So I'll just let it run for three days, and then it just fills it up another 1.5 meters. Switch it off, and then just keep using again. So yeah, that's it. So take a look. There's a lot of plantain in this pool here. I just dropped a few in here maybe 6 months ago, and they might have a good time because they have a lot of babies. So soon I will have to take out some of the big ones and take them to take them home and put them into another pool, and then keep the small ones here. Yeah, until this place dries out. Hopefully not. Okay, that is it about this place here. So I hope you got a bit of an idea what you can do here in Thailand. I mean, it was always my vision to have a small place and a lot of trees around it, because trees, you know, shadow, harmony, good energy. It attracts a lot of animals, snakes, birds, all kind of stuff, you know. And later on, you know, maybe gotta fill up this pool and then have more space here, and then just put a little house, tiny house or something, you know. And then you have a huge garden, and it's just gonna be great, really great, you know. So that's all from me now.